Today, I'll share a tutorial on editing data from NRDS that you've already entered using an Excel or CSV file. First, you're going to navigate to the survey that you want to edit data for, and you're going to export it as an Excel or CSV file. And when you open it up, you can go ahead and make your edits. And I've noted them in red just so that we know which fields we're looking at: preferred name, phone number, and state. And you can go ahead and save that. And when you navigate back to NRDS, we're going to go to the upload. And there's going to be orange boxes next to different field names. And we're going to make sure that we check the orange boxes next to the fields that we've made edits to. So it was phone number, preferred name, phone number, and state. I'm going to click those boxes. And then when we choose our file, we'll see that those fields that we've noted that we want to make updates to are showing. And when we go ahead and import our surveys, we can see that they've been updated. Phone numbers in there and all of our states are in there as well.